See this my beautiful author Gele, Nigerian author Gele. Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about this tutorial, this beautiful author Gele that you're looking at here. So this is the base. I already have the base before, but I want to give it a change. You know, this one is looking out of date. So this is the one that remained when I did the former one. I want to use it to do this present one that I want to do now, so I can have a change. So these are the materials that we need. You have the material, the Ashoki material. Then these are the embellishment. I later changed it to golden color. I changed my mind. I went for the golden color to match my Ashoki. Then those are the pillow fibers that used to fill your auto Gele. Then you have the elastic. It's better use the thick elastic. It's durable and lasts longer than the time. And then the tape rule and the scissors. Then you go ahead with our measurements of the Ashoki. The normal hair circumference for a normal adult is around 23 inches. Mine is 23 inches. So I went for 18 inches for this, for the front side, and 18 inches and 12 inches on the width. You know that you have to do the joining with half inch. So by the time you join, it remains 17 inches. Then this is the back side that will hold the elastic. You can be as long as possible. The elastic is what will give you the shape by the time you ruche it. So it is, see the way it is. By the time you are done, you see the elastic will ruche everything. Then we'll now go ahead to stitch on the sewing machine. I'll stitch them and bring back for you to see before we go ahead and fill in our fibers. You can still sew by hand. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. You do this, by the time you do this, you encourage me. So I've actually gone ahead to join both ends, and I'll now tack the main opening side that is remaining after joining. If you want your joining to be neat, you simply have to do this. You open one end to join the other end, the elastic side to the front side. Then you use your hand needle to tack it with an invisible stitch so that it can look neat from both the side and from the back. You can see our auto Gele is ready. And is remaining the embellishment. You have to just put your any type of design that you like, that you feel you're comfortable with. You see, this is what I did to my own. I beaded and added my embellishment. You see how beautiful it's looking. Thank you so much for watching my videos. That's the back side. You see how beautiful it is looking. Gele is ready in less than 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.